Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white t-shirt with olive green cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try light blue shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with brown pants and grey loafers. Next you can try olive green half sleeve shirt with black pants and tan and beige sneakers. Next you can try white and tan striped shirt with grey pants and brown slippers. Next you can try white and teal green printed shirt with off-white pants and green sandals. Next you can try blue shirt with blue jeans and tan boots. Next you can try white and green striped pattern shirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next you can try black oversized t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue shirt with white shorts and green sneakers. Watch this video to know top 35 outfits of July month.